Most people think collagen repair happens because of what they apply to their skin. Creams, serums, treatments. But the truth is, collagen repair happens primarily while you sleep. At night, your body switches into recovery mode. Hormones shift. Inflammation lowers. Cells begin repair and regeneration. And one of the biggest factors influencing how well this process works is what you eat in the evening. Not extreme diets. Not expensive supplements. Just simple food choices that support the body's natural repair systems. This video will walk through what to eat at night to support collagen repair naturally, why nighttime nutrition matters more as you age, and how to avoid common evening habits that quietly slow repair. Section 1. Why collagen repair happens at night. Collagen is constantly breaking down and rebuilding. During the day, breakdown often exceeds repair. Stress hormones are higher. Sun exposure causes damage. Movement creates microstress in tissues. At night, the balance shifts. Growth hormone increases. Inflammation lowers. Blood flow is redirected toward repair. This is why sleep quality is directly linked to skin and joint health. And this is why nighttime nutrition matters. Section 2. The role of amino acids in collagen repair. Collagen is made from amino acids. Specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. When you eat protein at night, you provide raw materials that the body can use during overnight repair. This does not mean eating heavy meals late. It means choosing protein sources that are easy to digest and supportive of sleep. Protein at night helps support tissue repair without disrupting rest when chosen wisely. Section 3. Why evening food choices matter more after 40. As we age, collagen breakdown accelerates. At the same time, digestion slows and nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. This means the body needs better timing and quality of nutrients to maintain collagen balance. Late night habits that were once harmless can now interfere with repair. Heavy meals. Excess sugar. Alcohol. These disrupt sleep and hormone balance. Evening nutrition becomes more strategic with age. Section 4. Best nighttime food. Category number 1. Gentle protein sources. Protein is essential for collagen repair. But at night, the type of protein matters. The best nighttime protein sources are those that digest slowly and gently. Examples include Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, soft tofu, eggs. These provide amino acids without causing blood sugar spikes or digestive stress. They also contain glycine, which plays a role in sleep quality and collagen synthesis. Section 5. Why dairy can support nighttime collagen repair. Fermented dairy like yogurt provides protein and minerals that support tissue repair. Calcium supports nerve and muscle function. Protein supports collagen building blocks. For those who tolerate dairy, small portions in the evening can be helpful. For those who do not, plant-based alternatives with protein can also work. The key is digestion comfort. Section 6. Best nighttime food. Category number 2. Vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. At night, vitamin C supports enzymatic processes that stabilize new collagen fibers. Examples of gentle nighttime sources include berries, kiwi, citrus segments, papaya. These provide vitamin C without excessive sugar when eaten in moderation. Vitamin C also supports antioxidant protection during repair. Section 7. Why fruit at night is about portion and type. Fruit is not bad at night. But large portions of high sugar fruit can raise blood sugar and disrupt sleep. Small portions of vitamin C rich fruit support collagen without overstimulation. This is about balance, not restriction. Section 8. Best nighttime food. Category number 3. Healthy fats. Healthy fats support hormone balance and reduce inflammation. At night, fats slow digestion and provide sustained energy for repair. Examples include nuts, seeds, avocado in small amounts. Fats also help stabilize blood sugar, which supports deeper sleep. Deep sleep is essential for collagen repair. Section 9, why blood sugar stability matters for collagen. Blood sugar spikes increase cortisol. Cortisol interferes with collagen synthesis. Eating balanced nighttime foods helps prevent spikes and crashes. Stable blood sugar supports growth hormone release, lower inflammation, better sleep quality, all of which support collagen repair. Section 10, best nighttime food. Category number 4, mineral support. Minerals play supporting roles in collagen formation. Magnesium helps relax muscles and improve sleep quality. Zinc supports tissue repair. Evening foods that provide minerals include pumpkin seeds, almonds, leafy greens in small portions. These support repair indirectly by improving sleep and enzymatic function. Section 11, why herbal teas can support collagen indirectly. Herbal teas do not contain collagen, but they support the environment collagen repair needs. Chamomile, rooibos, peppermint, these help calm the nervous system. Lower stress hormones improve repair efficiency. Section 12, what to avoid at night if you want collagen repair. Some foods interfere with nighttime repair. These include high sugar desserts, alcohol, heavy processed meals like caffeine. These disrupt sleep, increase inflammation, and raise cortisol. Even occasional use can slow repair when done frequently. Section 13, why alcohol is especially disruptive. Alcohol interferes with REM sleep. REM sleep is when growth hormone peaks. Growth hormone supports tissue repair and collagen maintenance. Alcohol also dehydrates the body, which affects skin elasticity. This makes alcohol one of the most disruptive nighttime habits for collagen. Section 14, timing matters as much as food. Eating too late can interfere with digestion and sleep. Ideally, the last meal or snack happens at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. This gives the body time to digest while still providing nutrients for repair. Late night grazing often disrupts this balance. Section 15, why less can be more at night. Heavy meals increase digestive workload. This pulls energy away from repair processes. Smaller, balanced portions support repair more effectively than large meals. The body repairs best when it is calm, not overloaded. Section 16, what people often notice when nighttime nutrition improves. When evening food choices support repair, people often notice less morning puffiness, clearer skin tone, improved sleep quality, reduced joint stiffness. These changes are gradual and cumulative. Section 17, collagen repair is a system, not a food. No single food repairs collagen. Repair depends on sleep, nutrition, stress levels, hydration, hormonal balance. Nighttime food choices support the system. They do not replace it. Section 18, a simple nighttime collagen support framework. A supportive evening routine includes light protein, vitamin C, healthy fats, minerals, calm hydration. This framework works across many dietary styles. Section 19, why consistency matters more than perfection. One good night does little. Many good nights create change. Collagen repair responds to patterns. Even small changes, repeated daily, add up. Collagen repair happens while you sleep. What you eat at night can either support or slow that process. Gentle protein. Vitamin C rich foods. Healthy fats. Minerals. Calm hydration. These choices create the right environment for overnight repair. You do not need extreme diets or expensive products. You need alignment with how your body works. When nighttime nutrition supports sleep and repair, collagen has a better chance to do what it is meant to do.